Why choose Dihuai Industrial Remote Control? 1. Strong corporate strength. Word of mouth and reliable reputation. A production-oriented manufacturer that has been focusing on the R&D, production and sales of industrial wireless remote controls for many years. Set up a production and manufacturing base in Nanjing, as well as a sales, technical support and after-sales service center. Multi-channel sales, service stations all over the world. 2. German technology. Superior quality, safe, smart, sophisticated. Dihuai regards observance of safety as the primary criterion, from the PCB board to the high-frequency template, all in accordance with an ISO 945-1 and an ISO 13849D level design and manufacture. 3. A wide range of application industries, applicable to industrial cranes, construction cranes, truck-mounted cranes, bridge erecting machines, concrete pump trucks, ship loading and unloading machines, port cranes, railway dispatching locomotive, mining locomotive, data feedback and data transmission and other fields. 4. Complete whole process service line. Dihuai's 3 modernization service commitment, service productization, product quality, and quality standardization. All Dihuai products enjoy a lifetime maintenance guarantee. The company promises maintenance response time is no more than 24 hours. Carry out remote control transformation services according to different needs of users and customize excellent products.